Setting up the Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty is quick and straightforward. First, connect the wand to the main vacuum body. You'll hear a satisfying click when it locks into place. Then attach the Duo Clean Detect nozzle onto the bottom of the wand. Install the charging post into the auto empty base. Now, plug in the auto empty base and set it up where you want to dock the vacuum when you're done cleaning. Slide the vacuum into the dock so the battery starts charging. Make sure to fully charge before your first use. Once the battery is fully charged, power it on by using the power button on the screen, and you're ready to clean. It also features Shark's multi-flex wand, which lets you bend the vacuum to reach under furniture or fold it over for compact storage. There's nothing to calibrate or program. The PowerDetect technology handles suction and even adjusts the brush roll speed automatically depending on the mess and the surface you're cleaning. You can adjust the power using the trigger.